Hi everyone. For this discussion, I created a critical path method diagram for my dinner project. The menu includes soup and a baked chicken entree with rice and peas. In my CPM diagram, I placed the start node on the left and added all the cooking and serving steps from left to right. The activities include boiling the soup, serving and eating it, boiling the rice, browning the chicken, making the sauce, baking the dish, boiling the peas, and finally serving and eating the main course. The shortest possible duration for the whole project is 70 minutes because the critical path determines the minimum total time required to finish everything. The activities on the critical path are boiling the rice, baking the ingredients, and serving and eating the main course. These tasks are critical because if any of them are delayed, the entire dinner will also be delayed. They take the longest total time and directly determine when the project can be completed. In my diagram, the red lines show the critical path that connects these key steps. Thank you.